Hi, my name is KANG. As you can see from the video title, the Sustainable Development Goal 13, which is about the climate actions, will be discussed in this video. So in this video, the problem that will be discussed is the global warming caused by the greenhouse gases emissions from the transportation sector. As the information, greenhouse gases can be defined as the gases that trap heat in the atmosphere and make the planet warmer. By increasing the heat in the atmosphere, greenhouse gases are responsible for the greenhouse effect, which ultimately lead to global warming. Some impacts such as record high temperature, rising of sea level, and severe flooding are already increasing commonly. Examples of the gases that contribute to the greenhouse effect included the carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases. There are many sources of the greenhouse gas emissions, from human activities such as electricity production, transportation, industry, commercial, or residential, agriculture, and others. From the research and studies, the United States Environmental Protection Agency stated that the transportation sector contributes the largest percentage of carbon dioxide gas, which is up to 30%. And the latest data also presented that despite setbacks from COVID-19, preliminary data show global greenhouse gas emissions increased in 2020. So in terms of engineering solutions, carbon dioxide emissions from transportation can be reduced by controlling the intensity of transportation energy emissions, improving the efficiency of transportation energy utilization, and optimizing the transportation structure. Accordingly, electric vehicles as the passenger vehicles can be considered a way to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. Commonly, we can see two types of electric vehicles on the market, which is plug-in hybrid and battery electric car. In terms of air pollution and the greenhouse gas emissions, electric cars are already proving to be cleaner than vehicles running on petrol. When charging the battery may increase the pollution at the power plant, but the total emissions associated with the driving electric cars are still typically less than those for gasoline cars. Particularly if the electricity is generated from renewable energy sources like biomass, solar, wind, or hydro. In addition, the production and disposal of an electric car is less environmentally friendly than a car with an internal combustion engine. So for the non-engineering solutions, mobility management considered as a strategy for helping to change the driving consciousness and behavior of drivers. Investment in a range of innovative mobility approaches such as transit, car sharing, park and ride facilities, and bicycling should be encouraged. This strategy has the potential to impact fuel consumption and carbon dioxide emissions, particularly if their use become more widespread. As the summary, we can see that carbon dioxide emissions from the transportation sector are projected to rise due to ongoing reliance on fossil fuels and increase in vehicle distance travel. To address potential fuel consumption and pollution, a variety of strategies will be needed. For example, like the enhancement of the engine technology and fuel mobility management and the government policies. Lastly, I believe that continuous improvement of the strategy over years will assist to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals 13 so that to reduce climate change that affected by the greenhouse gases emissions.